Hello. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills and thanks for tuning in. So I just wanted to make this video to give a proper introduction of my channel and what all my videos will be about. It's a new year, 2024, and I thought this would be the perfect time to introduce myself, give you guys a quick rundown on what my channel will be about, which will be beauty, makeup videos, vlogs, hauls, fashion, nails. I do my own nails as well, at least try, and product reviews that pertain to any type of beauty. I also have a product review channel, which is Brittany Mills Product Reviews for random other things. So basically this channel will be about any and everything that I like and love, and I just want to show you guys how creative I can be with the things that I do or know how to do or even try. I love trying new things, and I am so excited to be on this new journey, trying new things, being more consistent, because that is my biggest struggle. And this is something that I like and love doing. So like I said, this is a new year for new things, and I just want to share it all with you guys. I truly hope you guys enjoy all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll know every time a video goes live.